No. Okay. Hi. Okay, hi everyone. Happy Tuesday. Did you join us yesterday for President's Day trivia and some awesome discounts? If you didn't, well, you missed out. But it's fine. If you did, you're the cool kids on the block. We're back here today to give you some helpful tips on how to tackle some of your home projects. Do you have any cabinet doors that are a little screwy? Maybe they overlap a bit or they don't shut properly? Sorry. Wow, yeah, sorry. Well, we are going to show you how to fix them with just a simple tool right here. All of our cabinet doors come with these hidden adjustable hinges that are pretty simple to work with. You're going to be dealing mainly with 3 screws. This first one right here is going to adjust the cabinet door up and down. This guy right here is going to adjust left and right, and this guy is going to adjust away and towards the cabinet box itself. As you can see, this door is way off. It doesn't shut properly and it's rubbing against the other door panel. So we're just going to make a couple adjustments to fix it so that it shuts perfectly. First, we're going to make some vertical adjustments with this screw right here. This is the one that makes it go up and down. You can see the hinge moving as I loosen and tighten the screw. Next, we're going to adjust it from left to right. You can see how the hinge is moving from side to side when I adjust that screw. Lastly, we're going to move this screw to adjust the distance the cabinet door has to the box. You can see it moving farther and closer. See how much better they look? Now it closes perfectly. I did it, and you can do it too. Well, as you can see, we have a lot of panels to choose from for your cabinet doors. And if you want custom panels, bam! You got it, just like Emerald. So come on down to our showroom, check out everything we have to offer. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next week.
I think that might have been trademarked.